Colin got us new walking boots today, and I had no idea until I got them from work.
Yeah, so I did surprise you.
I got some blue ones.
I like yours. I think I like yours more than mine.
Mine are cooler than yours, but then again, I am cooler than you.
Yeah.
We've got our cups for having brews.
Yep.
One on either side. And we got tea and coffee, and no, we didn't bring coffee. We got tea.
And I've got all the heavy stuff.
You got what?
Nothing.
You got what?
Nothing. So realistically, this is a Carrymore review.
It's not.
Why isn't it?
What? Just these though? Because you don't have anything else that's Carrymore except from your backpack?
My backpack.
Well, my dad's backpack.
My swim short things.
Oh, are they Carrymore as well?
Right, Kez, this is where it starts.
I'm hot.
And I'm roasting, but you know, we're going to make it to the top. Yeah, better to be like hopeful, I guess, than she's starting to get blisters.
I am, my feet are hurting. Only because
You can just change your socks.
Yeah, true. Only because they're new. Look at the back.